5 free tools every business owner should be using in 2026. If you're running business on Facebook, then these 5 tools will help you save hours every week. That is, it will help you create better content, stay organized, and even make your business look and sound more professional. And the funny thing is, most business owners know that they need to market online. I mean, everyone needs to market online, but they're doing everything manually. They're writing posts from scratch, editing videos the hard way, forgetting to post, and wasting time switching between different apps. But here's the good news: the businesses that are growing faster aren't necessarily working harder, they're simply using smarter tools. And in this video, I'll introduce you to 5 free tools that can completely change the way you manage your Facebook business page and allowing you to make more sales in the process. So let's get started. Number 1, Meta Business Suite. If you're still posting directly on Facebook or Instagram, then you're making life harder than it needs to be. Meta Business Suite is like your business control room. Instead of opening Facebook and Instagram separately, you can manage everything in just one place. Imagine it's a Sunday evening and you already know you want to post from Monday to Friday. Instead of remembering to post every morning, you just simply schedule all the 5 posts in one sitting. You sit down, create all the posts, and put them on the Meta Business Suite. While you're busy serving your customers or attending to meetings, your content is still going to be live. That's working smarter because now you'll just be responding to the comments and messages and, of course, looking at the analytics. Second tool is ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI tool. Let's be honest. Sometimes the hardest part isn't creating the post, it's figuring out what to say. You sit there for 20 minutes staring at your screen. Nothing comes up in your mind. That's where AI becomes your brainstorming partner. For example, imagine you own a shoe shop. Instead of spending 30 minutes thinking of a caption, you can just ask ChatGPT or Claude, write me 5 Facebook posts promoting school shoes in a friendly tone. This is my logo, this is my voice, and everything. Within seconds, you have ideas to choose from. Or maybe a customer asks the same questions every day. What size do you have? Do you deliver? Where are you located? AI can even help you write professional responses such that you're able to respond to your customers professionally and without thinking too much. Remember, though, don't copy and paste everything. Sometimes you need to add your own personality. People connect with people. So ensure that you add your own personality to the responses or whatever you put. Number 3, the third one is Canva. Now you have a great caption, but then you pair it with a poor quality graphic. It's like wearing an expensive suit and then hopping into a boda boda to make a grand entrance. By the way, I have nothing with boda bodas. We use them all the time. But if you're trying to make a strong first impression, the presentation doesn't quite match the effort you put in putting on your suit. And that's where Canva comes in. Canva helps you create professional looking graphics, posters, flyers, price lists, and Facebook covers using already made templates. Even if you've never designed anything before, you can make your business look polished in just a few minutes. Remember, people often judge your business before they read a single word. A clean, attractive design helps build confidence from the very first glance. The fourth one is CapCut. People love videos. At least you need to create videos for your page. In fact, Facebook is pushing short form content videos even more than ever. The reels, the stories. But don't worry, you don't need expensive editing software. CapCut lets you trim videos, add captions, music, transitions, and effects with just a few taps. Imagine recording a 30-second video showing new arrivals of your shop. Instead of uploading it raw, CapCut helps you turn it into something that actually grabs attention. Sometimes the difference between 500 views and 50,000 views is simply better editing, and you stand out from your competitors. The last one is Google Drive or Google Photos. Here's one tool people forget: your content library. Imagine your phone gets stolen tomorrow. Where do you start? Would you lose all your product photos, customer testimonials, videos, logos? Leave alone your phone getting lost. Your phone getting filled up because the storage capacity cannot control. That's why Google Drive is essential. Keep everything backed up and organized. Create folders for products, videos, graphics, testimonials, and logos. The next time you need to create content, everything is right where you need it. Future will be grateful. So those are the 5 tools I believe every Facebook business owner should be using. Meta Business Suite keeps your business organized. ChatGPT or Cloud or any other AI tool helps you create ideas and content faster. Canva makes your business look professional. CapCut helps you create engaging videos. And of course, lastly, Google Drive keeps all your business assets safe and organized. None of these tools will magically grow your business overnight, but together they will help you save time, stay consistent, and present your business more professionally. If you're already using one of these tools, let me know in the comments which one of these made the biggest difference for your business. And if there are other tools you would like me to review, I'd love to hear from your suggestion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and I'll see you in the next one.